Don't worry, English is easy.
Today at school they said Women's Day. What does that mean? What is Women's Day?
Women's Day is a special day to celebrate women and thank them.
So today we celebrate women?
Yes, today is a very special day.
I have an idea! Let's make a surprise for Bee!
That's a great idea!
Yes, but we need a plan.
What should we give Mom?
We can buy flowers.
And maybe a nice card.
Wow, so many flowers!
Yes, we have many colors.
I like the red flowers. I like the yellow ones.
I like the yellow ones.
For Togoa, let's choose beautiful flowers for Mom.
These flowers are beautiful!
Mom will love them.
Oh, wait. We still need a card.
You need a card? Huh? There is a gift shop next door. They have beautiful cards and small surprises.
What kind of surprises?
Toys, chocolates, and balloons. Look! I see greeting cards, gift bags, candles, teddy bears, keychains, notebooks, pearl frames, bracelets, and colorful ribbons.
So many presents!
This one is beautiful.
It says, "You are the best mom."
Mom will love this! I can't wait to give this to Mom.
Shh, it's a surprise.
Mom must not see us. This one is beautiful. It says, "You are the best mom."
Let me open the door. Yes.
Is it the house key?
This is the key.
Be quiet, it's a surprise.
The flowers in the vase look more beautiful.
The vase is on the table.
The table looks nice now.
Is everything ready?
Yes. Now we wait for Mom.
Wait, I hear something!
I think Mom is coming.
Quick, hide!
Flowers? Best mom ever.
Surprise! Happy Women's Day!
Oh, wow, you surprised me.
We love you, Mom!
Thank you. This is beautiful.
Happy Women's Day! Subscribe for more video.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Practice. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. Today we have a beautiful story to share with you about a family preparing a surprise for their mom on Women's Day.
That's right. This animated story will help us learn some wonderful vocabulary words together. So let's dive right in, shall we?
Absolutely. So, Emma, in our story, the children decide to surprise their mother. The first thing they do is pick beautiful flowers from the garden.
Yes. Let's talk about the word flowers. Flowers are a very common gift, and they're a beautiful symbol of love and appreciation.
Exactly. Here's an example sentence. I bought red flowers for my mother. Now everyone, repeat after me. I bought red flowers for my mother.
Great job! Now, in the story, the children need somewhere to put these beautiful flowers. They find a special container called a vase.
Right. A vase is a container specifically designed for flowers. Usually it's made of glass or ceramic and holds water to keep the flowers fresh.
Perfect explanation, David. Let's practice. She put the flowers in a beautiful vase. Everyone repeat. She put the flowers in a beautiful vase.
Excellent! Now, where do they place this vase with flowers? On the table. A table is a piece of furniture with a flat surface and legs.
Exactly. We use tables for many things. Eating, working, or in this case, displaying beautiful flowers. Let's practice. The vase is on the kitchen table.
The vase is on the kitchen table.
Wonderful! Now comes the best part of our story, the surprise. A surprise is something unexpected that makes someone happy.
That's right. When Mom comes home and sees the flowers on the table, it's a complete surprise. She wasn't expecting it.
Exactly. Here's our practice sentence. The children prepared a wonderful surprise for their mother. Let's say it together. The children prepared a wonderful surprise for their mother.
Perfect! Now let's talk about emotions. When the mother sees her surprise, how does she feel? She feels happy.
Yes, happy is a beautiful emotion. It means feeling joy and contentment. And what does Mom feel for her children? Love.
That's right. Love is a deep feeling of care and affection for someone special. Let's practice. Mom feels happy and shows love to her children.
Everyone feels happy and shows love to her children.
Excellent! And how does Mom show this love? She gives everyone a big hug. A hug is when you wrap your arms around someone to show affection.
Hugs are wonderful ways to express love and happiness. Our final practice sentence, Mom gave her children a warm hug. Let's repeat. Mom gave her children a warm hug.
Beautiful! Now let's review all our vocabulary words. We learned flowers, vase, table, surprise, happy, love, and hug.
Perfect review, David. And what's the beautiful message of our story? It's that small gestures, like picking flowers and arranging them nicely, can make the people we love very happy.
Absolutely right. You don't need expensive gifts to show someone you care. Sometimes the simplest surprises bring the biggest smiles.
That's all for today's daily English practice. Thank you so much for learning with us. Keep practicing these new words in your daily conversations.
Yes, and remember, practice makes perfect. We'll see you next time with another exciting story and more vocabulary to discover. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep practicing your English.